welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my order from the Erin Condren back to school launch. Of course, everything is from the Star Wars collection. I think there was one other item that I might have got that wasn't. I actually think I went from the cart. Let's just open it up and I'll share everything that I purchased with you guys. So first item that we will share is the new Star Wars washi tape. Of course, I had to get anything that Star Wars, like anything with Star Wars in it that Erin Condren comes out with, I'm going to try and at least buy it once. I just love everything that they've come out with, all of designs and just the attention to detail and everything I think is just incredible. So the first washi tape, I cannot get this to focus, is the Mandalorian. So you have Grogu and Mando. And then you have the Rebel sign. And then you have TIE Fighters, Millennium Falcon, X-Wings, different ships on this orange pattern. I really wish they did this in like a navy instead of the orange. I think that would look like a lot nicer and more like it's in space. I say navy instead of black because they already did a black, which is that outline sketch design, which is my favorite design. So they have that. Either way, I still love all of these. I think they're amazing. I will be using these in my hourly planner because, of course, that's now becoming my Star Wars planner. But we have this. Of course, everything will be linked below, and prices are all on the website since this launched, I believe, a few weeks ago now. Next, we have the new Star Wars Snap-in Universal Dashboard. I really just got this because I thought it was really nice. And I ordered the white pen. That's the one item that wasn't Star Wars related that I got so that I could write on these. Typically, I don't write on these. I just put sticky notes on it, but I'll probably do a mixture of both. But you have priorities to do. You have that beautiful gradient that you've seen in some of the newer designs. And then you have a Monday through Sunday week so that you can meal plan, like pre-write, pre-plan, whatever you need on this dashboard. So we have that. And then I'll go into the last accessory. So I am very excited for these. These are the new triangular pens and they each have quotes on them. We're gonna try these out in just a moment. I was so excited when I saw these. I really wish that they would come out with like lightsaber pens. I think that would be amazing. I do love the Millennium Falcon ballpoint pen that they have, but if these would have been like lightsabers, I think that they would have been like a huge hit. But let's open these up and I will show you each one. Okay. So you have just a variety of different pens. So this one has Leia on it and it says Rebel Leader. This one has Darth on it and it says Fulfill Your Destiny. You have a bluish one and I'm pretty sure it says the Force will be with you always with the Rebel Hope sign. Don't fly solo, take a Wookiee. Let's see, what does this one say? The Force is strong with this one. Darth. Luminous beings, we are Yoda. Stay golden. C-3PO. And Galactic Hero, R2-D2. And then Take the Galaxy by Storm is purple. And I believe these are all just normal pens. I don't think they're like color pens. Let's see, let me grab my compact vertical. So I can try this out really quickly. So right now we are filming. Yeah, these are all black. My EC haul. and they actually write very smoothly. And then, I don't know, I was kind of concerned about like the triangular shape, but honestly it's kind of comforting, especially if you like position your, you know, fingers like this. It actually kind of makes sense to have your pen like this. I don't know, I can definitely get used to this. These are definitely going on display, but I will use them. Yeah, we have those. And then I just got a few new items. So because this is the back to school launch, they did come out with a new style notebook. Let me zoom out for this one. So this is a 3-subject notebook with the new Star Wars cover. And I believe this is the Star Wars notebook. Oh no, I thought it had different tabs. Maybe I got the wrong one. I'm pretty sure it comes with different tabs. Oh yeah, so that's a bummer. So they sent me the wrong one. So there is a new Star Wars 3-subject notebook, and it has different color tabs and it has designs in it. And I just got sent the normal 3-subject notebook. So I'll email customer service and let them know. But this is the new cover that's on it. And then once I get that new one, I'll probably share it on Instagram or TikTok. But it's really cute. I really love the color of the tabs because it goes with this new cover, as well as my favorite cover that launched this collection. And it is the Boba Fett cover. Y'all, look at this. It is beautiful. Why can this not focus? It is like a 70s style, very retro, but very like, I just love it. And the attention to detail on this is beautiful. And I just love this overall design. I just think it's incredible. So this was going to be my notebook cover. I was going to switch it out and put it on my new 3-subject notebook, which I'll still do once it comes in. Here's the interior of this interchangeable cover. And yeah, here's the interior for this one. And if y'all are just interested in the 3-subject notebooks, you just get 3 tabs, and then like an overview page, and then your notes. So the Star Wars one is just cool because it has Star Wars designs in it. So I'll contact customer service about that. Yeah, other than that, that is my haul, and that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.